In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file when Google Drive quota has exceeded. If you've ever clicked a file in Google Drive and seen a message that the download quota has been exceeded, don't worry. This usually means the original file has been downloaded too many times recently. The good news is, if you can access the file in your own drive, you can create a personal copy and download that instead. I'll walk you through it clearly and simply so you can get what you need without fuss. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and locating the file that's currently restricted. Make sure you can see it in your drive or in a shared folder you have access to. With the file selected, right-click it and choose Make a Copy. This tells Drive to create a duplicate under your account, which won't be tied to the same download limit as the original shared version. Depending on the file size and your connection, it might take a moment for the copy to appear. Once the copy is ready, look for a new item in your My Drive called Copy of followed by the original file name. You'll usually see it pop up near the top of My Drive or under the Recent section. If you have a lot of files and don't spot it right away, use the search bar and type Copy of to filter quickly. Confirm you've selected the copy and not the original, since only the copy will avoid the quota message. Now download the new copy. Right-click the file named Copy of and select Download. Your browser will begin preparing the file. If it's a single large file, Drive may briefly scan for viruses. And you might see a prompt if the file is too large to scan. Go ahead and confirm the download if you trust the source. For folders, Drive will compress them into a zip before downloading. Just wait for the packaging to finish, and then save it where you want on your computer. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have enough storage space in your Google Drive for the copy to be created, especially for large files. Creating a copy doesn't change the original file's permissions or ownership. It simply gives you your own version to work with. If you are managing storage, you can remove the copy from your drive after you've safely saved it locally. That's it, quick, clean, and effective. You've successfully downloaded a file, even when the original hit its quota. Thanks for watching.